Listen carefully to the story. The title is The Secret Treehouse. Sara and her brother Daniel love to explore their backyard. One warm afternoon, while chasing a butterfly, they noticed something unusual. Wooden steps were nailed to the side of an old oak tree. "What's this?" Daniel asked with surprise. They climbed up carefully. To their amazement, there was a small treehouse hidden among the branches. Inside, they found dusty chairs, an old lantern, and a box of storybooks. The place looked forgotten, but full of secrets. "This can be our secret hideout," Sara whispered with excitement. Daniel nodded happily. They promised to keep it safe and use it as their special reading spot. From that day on, the treehouse became their little world of adventure. Now get ready to answer the questions on your worksheet.